about 43 old messages.
Yeah, hi, this is Vegas 7, Texas. This message is for Mr. I'm just going to let you know that we do have your bag trawler at his office, and we would like to deliver the bag, but please give us some good information about where do you want us to deliver the bag, or what part of Connecticut, because we see the address in Connecticut. Thank you, bye-bye.
Wednesday, 6:27 a.m.
Hi, Howard. This is Ted from Exclusive Woodworks, 348. I have a price point on that counter. Thank you. Bye.
Monday, 7:09 p.m. Tuesday, 2:27 a.m.
This is Lord Chamberlain, nursing home. I need a return call regarding one of the residents here. The number is 375, extension 56.
Tuesday, 8:35 p.m. Saturday, 7:24 a.m.
Yeah, Tony, this is Richie P. I'm doing a test. We got to figure out when we'll check this answering machine. Thank you.
Sunday, 8:46 p.m.
Yeah, I was trying to reach Howard Levine. This is Bill Van calling. I'm an executive recruiter in Phoenix, and we chatted 6 months ago or so, and wanted to see how you're doing. And chat about a couple things. When you get some time, would you give me a call? At area code 7 is Bill Van Zandt. Thanks. Bye.
Wednesday, 11:31 p.m. Thursday, 8:03 p.m.
Hi, my name is Christine. I'm calling from Citizens Bank. We're calling to verify employment on campus. If someone could give us a call back directly at 1-800. My extension is 7. Thank you.
Monday, 8:40 p.m. Wednesday, 10:01 p.m.
Hi, Mr. Levi. This is Seth Gatan. I'm calling from Puritan Crossing. Would you kindly call me back at 5? Ida Sets Gogoa Luke. I just have one question about merchandise. Have a nice day. Bye-bye.
Thursday, 11:48 p.m.
Hi, Howard. This is Carol Ravati calling from the Stanford Running Club. How you doing? I was just calling to ask some members if they would have a chance to volunteer at a race this coming Tuesday, July 20th. It's the Chase Corker Challenge, and it's going to be at Scalzi Park. I'm looking for people at for about 5:45 for a couple of hours. My home number is 6. I will give you a call back later as well. Thanks a lot. Bye.
Saturday, 11:17 p.m. Monday, 7:56 p.m.
Hello, my name is Mrs. DeLoco. Could you please have call me at Tree Joe, please?
Wednesday, 10:40 p.m.
My name is Mrs. DeLuca, and I would like to have my nails cut. And my number is 342. Thank you.
1:22 a.m.
Hello, I'm trying to reach Howard. Howard, you're at this number. Would you please call me? This is Rob. My number here is 734, returning your call. Thanks, Howard.
Friday, 10:12 p.m. Sunday, 8:00 p.m.
Hi, my name is Mary. I'm calling from Parents and Clothing on Cape Cod, looking for Howard. The number here is 100. I'm calling, we sent the package out to 9 Road, apartment 1. It came back to us, not at this address. So if you could please give us a call and let us know if that's the correct address or if we need to ship it somewhere else, then we'd be happy to get it out quickly. Thank you very much. Bye-bye.
Tuesday, 12:58 a.m.
This is Gary. Cindy's call. Sorry it took me so long. I will try again in the morning. Thanks, bye.
Tuesday, 4:07 a.m. Tuesday, 9:00 p.m.
We're not sure. We asked the information operator for an NET net zero prefix number to dial to the internet. The number here is 32. Okay. Thanks.
Sunday, 9:03 a.m. Sunday, 9:29 p.m. Sunday, 9:30 p.m.
This is Juliet. IA at 9:2. I need to make an appointment for a mammogram. Thank you.
Sunday, 10:15 p.m.
Hello, this is Bill Van Zandt, executive recruiter guy out in Phoenix. Wanted to see if you had a minute to chat about a project we're working on that might be of interest. My phone number is area code 0, and the number is 97. It's Bill Van Zandt. Thanks very much. Bye.
Monday, 2:58 a.m.
Okay, this is a message. Please let Richie P know you got this message dated 8/13.
Thursday, 9:33 p.m.
This is AOL long distance calling in regards to an account with us. Please contact our office. The number is 1. Again, that number here is 1. Thank you.
Monday, 2:16 a.m.
We'll be with you in just a minute. Hello?
Tuesday, 6:49 a.m.
We'll be with you in just a moment.
Wednesday, 6:07 a.m. Tuesday, 7:36 a.m.
Tony, it's Greg at Wishman USA. Can you call back 9/7? Thank you.
Monday, 4:08 a.m.
Yeah, this is Sherry calling from Chase in reference to a check order you had ordered. If you want to give me a call, it's 969. Thank you.
Monday, 5:29 a.m. Tuesday, 4:17 p.m.
Ja coś tu Paweł, zadzwoń do mnie. To na razie.
Tuesday, 7:53 p.m. Thursday, 11:28 a.m.
This is a test. Please call 1-800-90 and let me know that you received this message. We left a message on 203-47. Thank you.
Thursday, 10:27 a.m. Thursday, 2:18 p.m. Monday, 2:45 a.m. Thursday, 3:12 a.m. Monday, 6:54 p.m. Tuesday, 8:06 p.m. Wednesday, 2:48 a.m.
Hello, my speaker Susan. Thursday.
Thursday, 9:21 p.m. End of messages. Remaining recording time is 3 minutes.